Go ahead and ring it. Oh, we got two of them. Look at that. Is B open? It is. That might have been a bad idea. This is the Hilton Garden Inn in downtown Flint. Their Kone Ecodisc.
I like the blue LEDs.
Yeah, that is cool. I don't think B opens into like an employee area, does it? Okay, good.
I might get to the side though.
Good idea. I didn't even think about that. Go ahead and hit 11. Oh, that stops pretty suddenly. Very. Fitness center and laundry. Oh, door close doesn't work. I'll get my cab view now in case we stop at 1. It's a nice elevator. Dakota was saying that these are pretty much brand new. Oh, we made it.
You want to get the other one?
That guy was up there, so probably not. It's probably
You
the
might
other
have to video at 1 then. We can just...
Yeah, we can go back down. You can go ahead and hit it once we get there. This thing's kind of loud. Oh, I guess there was a vacuum up here too. It takes forever to level. Go ahead and hit it. The housekeeper was out there vacuuming. It's not a bad elevator. I mean, it's a pretty standard fare hotel. I don't think they have any service elevators here, judging by the fact that that guy was using this one. Oh, that's weird that the rooftop is on 6. Here we are back at 1. Takes forever to level.
Classic levels.
Yeah, a little bit. There it goes. There's the other one, which is on 7. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web at isaac24.com. Bye-bye.